You might be training like a pro athlete, but still might not be improving. You checked every aspect. You are going to training every day, you are giving your best, you are doing it all, but you still don't see any improvement. You are stuck. And this might be because of one reason. It might not be your training, it might be how you think. Because there is a difference between how you think and how champions think. There is a big difference between how you think and how champions think. Very big difference. So, answer this question. Do you wake up every day and when you just don't feel like going to training and you say to yourself that I have to go to train, otherwise I will lose, otherwise my dream won't come true, and you get your ass up and go and train hard? Is this you? Because if you answered yes, you might be thinking that it is a good thing, but somewhere it is not. At start it is okay, but at the end it is not, because you see yourself as an unlucky entity. How? Do you know how champions think? They never say, I have to go to training. Never. They say, I get to go to training. If you think you have to go to training, you always have a otherwise. You always say that otherwise I will lose or this or that. You always perceive yourself as an unlucky person, but they perceive themselves as a lucky person, who gets to go to training, who gets to train daily, who gets to wake up daily and train daily, and who gets to have that purpose in their life, that they have to make their country proud. They have to make their country feel proud. They look that training as an opportunity and not as a problem. You look at your training as a problem. If even if you don't look at it as a problem, but if you say I have to go to training, your subconscious mind perceives it as a problem. But a pro athlete always say that I get to go to training. I get to go to training, and their subconscious mind perceives it as an opportunity. And on what will you work more? Will you give your best? Will you work better? On a problem or an opportunity? Of course, on an opportunity. You have to love your life, man. You have to love your life. And if you want to know more of these mindsets, I have there's a link in the description of my high performance athlete course, in which I have a big mindset module which will teach you all of those pro athlete mindsets.